Good evening, Manojita. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Let's see how many people join for the day one, and then we get started. Hi, Naveen. Hi, Uday Jwala. Good to see you all. Let's see how many people are joining. We already have 22, so let's wait for one more minute. How many of you already created the account on that community that I shared yesterday? We already started uploading the course videos there. So I've created one video today and it is already there. Hi, good evening, Sriti. Good evening, Gopal. Good evening, Yoga with Sunita. What is your name? Yoga with Sunita. You said you are joining from someone else side, your mother's side, right? We have Chandru, we have Naveen, Manojita, Ujjwala, Amit Tiwari. Good evening, Amit. So only 26 people joined so far, 31, okay? Good evening, Hamza, Kunali, okay, sorry. Good evening, Gopal, Pooja. Those who have not created the account on the community yet, if you need certificate, you should create an account. Good evening, Mega. Hello, good evening. If you have not created, if you don't need the certificate, then you can continue watching on YouTube, Facebook. We'll also go live on Instagram from tomorrow. So wherever you want to learn it from, that is the purpose, right? So continue doing that. The agenda for today is that I will try to cover all the fundamentals of Canva, and then we'll also cover some one or two social media posts that we will create. We are creating the detailed course anyway, so if you need more information, if you want to practice Canva, create some assignments, follow the practice, and then get a certificate also, then make sure you have the account in the community. If you don't need all of that, if you just want to like browse through the course and maybe pick up a few things, then you don't need to create the account in community. That's not mandatory. But if you are interested in getting certified, if you are interested in practicing further, not just attending a YouTube live and forget it, you should definitely join the community. Those who are joining today only, just go to this link. I've shared the link on this chat. Naveen, can you share the link? I think I am not able to share the link. There is some issue with the chat. Tasin, Sriniti, we'll share the link here. You can create the account using the link. Let me try to share it now. Some issue with the chat. By the way, link is already shared on the WhatsApp group. So if you're not part of the WhatsApp group, then maybe you should join there first so that you get all the updates related to the upcoming class. Let me share the link here as well. I have shared the link. I think it get from a different account. You can use it from there. Just create an account there and then you will be able to get the certificate. Let me also first walk you through the community. Can you guys hear me clearly? I think there is some issue with the chat in this. Can you guys hear me clearly? Just say yes in the chat window so that I know you're able to hear me. Can you guys hear me clearly? I think there is some issue with the chat in this. Can you guys hear me clearly? Just say yes in the chat. Okay, Amit, so let's get started. I don't want to waste any more time in this process. Naveen, if you are also part of YouTube chat, you can share the WhatsApp link here so that people who have not joined the WhatsApp yet can join it from there. Okay. So we are starting with the Canva design process. I'll cover some fundamentals. So in case you get stuck anywhere, you can ask the questions later in the community or send it to me on the email that we shared yesterday. Make sure attending live classes every day, you guys. Don't miss it just because it is free. Do not miss it. Let's share the screen and get started. Just confirm when you can see my screen, guys. I'm just sharing my screen. Just confirm when you are able to see it. Just confirm when you're able to see my screen. Say yes in the chat window when you can see my screen. Can we get started? Just say yes so that we get started with the process. All right. So I think my screen is visible to you. Okay. So first thing first, whenever you log in into Canva, this is how the screen would look. This is a paid account. No, this is a free account. In a paid account, screen might look slightly different, but on a free account, this is how you will get in. So I'm just trying to walk you through the interface. Do you see a lot of icons here? These icons are nothing but different kind of posts that you can create, design inside Canva. So Instagram square. So if you hover the mouse over a post, you will see the dimension. So below this, this is the dimension of the post. So 1080 into 1080 is the dimension that you use when you create a Instagram square post. when you create an Instagram square post, this is the kind of post you will use. For an Instagram story, this is the post you will have. It is 1080 into 190. That's the size for Instagram story. Similarly, for other social media, just login, just click on this link for social media post. You see the Instagram post again. Then there is Facebook post, Instagram story. These are nothing but different dimensions. So every dimension has its own role, and I will explain why this dimension part is very, very important. For now, let's select one dimension. Let's go with, let's say, Instagram story, and then I'll explain the other elements inside the design process. You see, whenever you load the Instagram story template, sorry, Instagram post template, the left panel, you will see a lot of templates that are fitting this dimension. So everything that you see on the left panel is rightly fitting into this dimension. So these are the templates according to the dimension that you have selected. So there are two options here. One is templates, another is style. Style is something I will explain in the future videos. For now, look at the different templates that you get according to one dimension. So that's the design screen, and this is the left panel that help you choose a design. Now, how many of you have never used Canva? Just say never. Just type never if you have never used Canva in past, so that I know how many of you are completely beginner here. Just type never if you have never used Canva. Only people who have never used Canva, just type never, so that I know you're not using it. You're using it for the first time maybe. Now there are different elements here. The file is basically the design process. Like you have to create a design and save a file, and the naming of file. What is the name of this file is something which you do here. So you can add a name, child new student post to the YouTube live. So let's say I give this name. So this will be the title of the file, and it will, when I download it, the same title will download. Okay. Now, apart from this, when you click on design, this element will load. When you scroll away, this element will completely move away. So there are so many people who have never used Canva. They are coming here for the first time. So this is how you basically log in and start exploring the design. So first part is designs, and here you will be able to filter the template. So these are the templates you can filter based on the category, different categories you can filter. If you want to search for a specific template, then what you have to do is you can enter here, and it will give you the search result accordingly. So when I search AI marketing, I get these templates. Now you see an icon on this. This is an educational account, basically student account. There are different kind of accounts that you can create on Canva, but for a student account you see something like edu. So this is the premium or pro version post. It is not available for paid users. Anywhere you don't see this icon, this you can use freely. So this you can use here if you want. But anywhere there is a pro account, you should avoid using it, because Canva will not let you download if you're using it for the free account. In the future, we'll also discuss how to create a similar post that you have got in a paid account. When you click on this, the page will load here. You can edit all the elements. You can edit the title or brand name that is mentioned on the top. This is the sub headline or the title. You can edit or move the design here and there. Similarly, this heading also you can edit completely. This is editable. So all these are different parts of the or elements. Okay, all of them are editable. Next, let's go get into the elements. So in the element, you see there are so many options. It says frame, shape, shadow, line, call icon, location. So these are the filters that Instagram provides by default. First option you will see here is the recently used template. So whatever I have recently used for my account, it will be visible for me. And if you have not used, this will be blank for the first time. Now, second is what kind of different elements are available. Shapes are different kind of shapes that you can use in your design. So if you click on all, these are the different shapes that Canva gives with a free account. If you want to use a particular shape, just copy, drag it from here, and you will be able to update it in your design. Okay, do not worry about these arrows. These are fully editable. You can change it from here if you want to change the line type, you want to keep it straight, or uh, just add remove the arrow. So this is editable, do not worry about it. If you are not able to edit, just simply delete it and maybe choose a different line type from here. So that is doable. Second element that you get is graphics. So click on graphics and you will see what kind of graphics or images you get from Canva. Go on to hover onto any image and you will see whether it is available for free or paid users, and you can use it accordingly. If you are using a free account, make sure you use only the images that are freely available. Similarly, the text part. So text is nothing but the headline and sub headline within a design template. So you will see a lot of text here. Just click on text, hover over the text. The first thing you see is heading, subheading. So these are basically different type of headlines like H1 and H2. If you know a little bit about H1, H2, this is the bigger heading, this is smaller heading, basically to give you a hierarchy in your design. Now here are some interestingly designed font, or interestingly designed font sizes or text sizes. If you feel this will fit in your design, only then use this. If this doesn't fit in your overall design, then do not bother using this. You can create this using a custom headline. You don't have to worry about this. So ignore if you don't want to use it. Then second thing you see here is add a heading. So what is add, when you click on add a heading will be added on your template, and a new toolbar will load that will help you change the text. Similarly, for an image, there will be a different kind of toolbar. So every element has its own functions in the toolbar, and it will load according to the function that you're using. So let's say you want to remove this will be removed. Okay, then you see that you want to change the font. You can click on this, you will be able to change the font from here. You can convert this into Roboto and change the font size. Let's say you want to do 55, or increase the font size, or you want to specifically choose a font, you can do with that, and accordingly it will change. Let's say you want to have a enter a number of size, that will, you can edit it, click it here and just edit a number, it will accordingly change. Next part is font color. Click on this icon, you will be able to choose the colors that are recently used. So these are the colors that are part of this document. If you want to use these colors, these are the first line of colors. These are the colors which are part of the photo. For this photo, these are the colors. So if you want to use colors that are matching with this photo, then go here. If you want to use other solid colors, you have availability of all the solid colors here. You can change that. If you want to design your own color, then click on this plus icon here and just choose your color. Accordingly, you will be able to choose it. So colors are available for every part of the section. Right now we are adding only the headline. Okay, so we are talking specifically about the headline color. So you will be able to edit the headline color from here. Next is important part, which is the brands, but this is not available with a free account. I will explain how to create a brand identity and why this is so important. We will discuss that in details tomorrow. And this is very critical for anyone who wants to build a consistent brand. So you will be using that a lot. Next option that you see on the Canva toolbar on your left side is uploads. Uploads is basically you can upload an image from your computer. If you use the upload button, you can see some images are already uploaded here. Other way of uploading an image is just open the folder that you want to upload an image from, and just simply drag that image on Canva and it will be automatically uploaded here. Let me quickly show you how to upload an image from your computer. Go to any folder in your computer and then you want to upload an image. You simply drag that image, bring it on Canva, and you will be able to upload it inside Canva. So once you click here, drop the content, the image will be uploaded right here on your top of your existing design, and it will also start uploading in the upload folder. So once you upload the image, you will be able to edit it, move it forward or backward. So this is completely flexible here. Next option that you have is tools. Tools is basically if you want to draw something on the image, if you want to create your signature or something, you can do that using the draw file. Then there are different shapes that are available within the tools. You can use it when you need it. Are you guys able to follow? I see complete silence here. Are you able to follow me? Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you are able to chat. All of those who are not able to chat, you have to subscribe to the channel because we have restricted the chat to only two subscribers just to control the spam in group. Then projects are basically nothing but your own custom projects. So you can create folders to keep your designs handy. You want to have specific folders, we can have folders for your clients, you can have folder for different teams, you can have folder for different kind of social media designs you do, like folder for uh, Instagram post, different folder for YouTube content, different folder for Facebook post. That kind of folders you can create using the folder or projects option, and this is handy for you to organize your content when you are trying to create a custom organization within your. Then next is apps. There are a lot of apps that Canva gives. You can use some of them for free, some of them are paid apps. So paid apps are not free with Canva. Even if you have a paid account, still you might end up paying. So there are apps for generating QR code. You want to do a magic morphing, this is also available. You can also add AI music with the app. There is an app for creating a profile picture also. So there are so many apps that are available within Canva. If you have never used it, then do not bother about it, it is not so important. You might not be using a lot of apps for creating basic designs for your clients. This is not mandatory. Next important function, this is new, that is added recently, is the AI image generator. You can simply click on the magic media and it will give you three options. So there is image, then there is graphics, then videos. So these are the three options that are available. Video is only available for a specific account type. You can only create video if you are part of the paid. Free may you can create graphics and images. So if you are not able to get an idea for now, you can simply click on Inspire Me and it will give you some ideas. So keep clicking on Inspire Me, it will give you ideas. And then accordingly you can use, and then there is something called style under it. So what kind of style or what kind of sizes, layouts you want to have for that particular image that you're generating. Click on the style. Let me zoom in so that you can see. Inspire again, I will give you a different so these are nothing but prompts that you have been using in chat gpt. So click on Inspire again and it will give you a different prompt. You can add your own custom prompt also. Styles is basically what kind of style you want to have. You want to have a filmic image, you want to do a long size, you want to have a neon kind of colors, you want to do some, add some vibrance, you want to do some digital or 3D modeling. You can accordingly choose the style. Let's go with psychedelic so that we have a different kind of image. Now click on, once you have selected the magic media and a particular type of image, next you have to do is generate the image, and you will click Inspire again and then select the image, and finally it will create the image for you according to what you have selected. Okay, let's go with minimalistic, and these are the images that you have already generated. Okay, if you want to click on a particular image, it will load the prompt as well. So whatever prompt you have given, If you've already seen some image here that are so, if you scroll down and if you see these images, just click on these image and it will load you the prompt that this particular image is created with. Similarly for graphics, just click on inspire me and it will give you the graphic detail here. Once you have generate, click and then generate graphic. So there is a button called generate graphic in the end. Once you have chosen the style, let's say this is the style you go with, click on generate graphic and it will generate the entire graphic or image for you. If you are not able to see the screen, let me zoom in. So this is how it will look like, and it will generate the image according to your requirement. So when you choose a graphic laptop with a light bulb on the screen, this is the kind of graphics you will get with a free account. Let's try generating one image for now. Let's say we want to use specific prompt, click on inspire me, and this is a drone shot of Amazon forest. It might look, yeah, this looks like a good prompt. Scandinavian design style living room with a green sofa. Let's try creating this. Let's try generating this image. Let's see what kind of image we get for this. Awesome. So this is the kind of image that Canva has generated right within the platform. You don't have to move out. You don't have to worry about going here and there. You will be able to generate the image here itself. Okay. If you want to use this image in your design, just duplicate this, and maybe you want to change this with this image. Simply drag this image and add it here. You will be able to use this image by just a one single click. So this image will load in your design. If it doesn't feel, just replace this and maybe try generating a different image. You just clear the prompt and try generating a different image if you don't like this particular image, by the way. Okay, then these are the functions that you have here in the left panel, and then if you see on the top, you have something called share button, which is basically you can download the image, send it to a particular person. You can also create a public profile link, public view link. These are the different download options you have for a particular image. You can download in different formats also, and this is where you share it from. So download it on your computer. And by the way, Canva also give you an option to actually use this image and schedule your post right from Canva itself. But for that, you will need a paid account. So right now we are only using the free functions available within Canva, so you don't have to worry about a paid design here. Next, let's try to create a new design. Those who have not created any design, this might look slightly overwhelming to you, but click on design and go back on the main menu. Just click on file. This will load you the home page template. You will see a button called create. Click on that button, and let's say we want to create a different kind of post this time, not the Instagram reel post. Let's say we want to create a YouTube thumbnail. We'll create, click on YouTube thumbnail. It will open in a new tab, and you see this time it has already loaded all the YouTube thumbnails that are already designed. So any, you will see millions of templates available here. Within this, you will see a lot of filters: podcast, education, news, travel, gaming. So these are the frequently used filters basically. So all the filters that you see on top is frequently used by other people. If you don't like the filters, if you want to filter specific colors, click on these three dots on the top, and you will be able to filter your thumbnails according to the colors you have. So I click on orange and you will load all the orange color templates here for thumbnail. I click on pink and it will load all the pink color templates right on the screen. So basically these are the different kind of templates that you can use for your designing purpose. Click on any of them, it will load in your main screen where you can edit everything. So let's say, let's check different elements within this. This is an image. The first thing that you see on this template is an image. Then this is the text, and this is kind of a 3D text. You can edit this text as well. Similarly, this is an image, basically this is a text, so you can edit the entire thing. First thing usually I do when I try to create a new post is I'll just duplicate the entire post and maybe resize it to fit it in the screen, and then I start editing the element one by one. So let's say if you want to change this image, you simply delete this image, go to elements, and then go to photos. You'll see a different kind of AI image. So you can say AI learner here. Just say AI robot, let's say. You will see a different kind of image here. Let's say you want to replace this existing image with this one. Simply drag it here, and you have a different kind of image here. Now let's try experimenting with the colors. So for changing the colors, you have to go in the style tab. So you'll see something called, within the design you will see something called styles. Click on style, and then entire color palettes will load. So there are a lot of color options you see here. Yes sir, we'll cover scheduling the post maybe tomorrow. uh, right now, yeah, that I'm Manojita, that I will explain. I think there might be some problem with your account. Just click on shuffle and you will be able to shuffle between different options, and it could be a restriction related to country also, then we'll give you some free tools to use it. Click on the shuffle option in a color, and you will be able to change the color accordingly. Okay, this is just one click and it will give you a completely new design. So if you want to compare two or three color options, just duplicate the final design and then keep clicking on the shuffle button. It will load you different colors and you will be able to use a different color for your design. So if you want to compare, let's say 2 3 designs and how it looks in different colors, then just keep clicking, it will load a different design for you. Okay, and if you want to remove the background, usually background removal is not available for a free account, so you might not be able to remove background for all the images. But for some images, I think 4 or 5 images every day, I'm not really sure how it works, but I think 4 or 5 images you should be able to remove the background using the free account also. These might not be a feature that you can use with a free account all the time, but uh, since it is working, we are trying to use it. Removing the background will only keep the image, and then you can just zoom in and actually change the size of image left and right. Scroll it up and down wherever it fits. Then let me show you one important element here. Click on this menu, and then you see something called settings here. In the file, you see settings here. In the settings, there is something called show ruler and guide. Let's say you are not familiar with the size and there is a constant problem of sizing. You can add the ruler on the top. Now you see something like this, right? You can simply drag. So this, let's say you want to have this image within this, and you want to keep a size control, then you can add the ruler from here. Let's say you want to add everything in this, but within this form only. So you can drag the ruler here, and let's drag another ruler and let's add it this here. So let's say you want to add it within this to make your design perfect. You can drag rulers like this, and then keep it dragging. Let's say you want to match the size. Okay, so this is how you drag to make it fit within a particular size guide or ruler. Once you have completed this, just remove the ruler part. Just go back in settings and remove your ruler, and the ruler will be not be visible in your final design. Just simply click on remove the ruler so that you don't have to show it in the final design. Okay, this is how it looks. Now let's say you want to edit a specific element or you want to add a different element. Just keep editing. Click here, go to, let's say, text and you want to add a new text, click on add heading, subheading, or whichever font you want to add. If you want to add a text box, simply let's say what AI can do, and then you want to add a paragraph at the bottom, just click on add a text box. You will be able to add a text box here, and you can resize the text box according to your requirement. Just drag it at the bottom and then resize it according to your requirement, left and right. Just see, resize it, and then maybe add the text, whatever text you want to add within this new text box, you can add it here. Let's say specifically you want to add this and you want to give it a different look, then you can also add a background using elements. Let me try adding another text box. Let's add a subheading. I think I should be able to drag it. I don't have my computer mouse today, so it's slightly challenging for me. But anyway, just drag it here and you will be able to download your image heading. So just click on this. Yeah, now I'm able to drag it using my laptop's scroller. Let's say you want to add this line inside your design, simply add this here. You want to change the font or you want to match the font that is already existing, click on any of the existing text. Let's say you want to match the same font here, click on this. If you go to change the font, you will definitely see the existing font that is recently used, or document font. That will be the first option here. Just click on document font and it will automatically change it to the document font. So today's class we have understood the basic font elements and other aspects of the Canva design. Manojita, if you have specific questions, you can separately connect with me or Naveen. We'll be able to help you with that. This is for the entire class, so we are not going in a paid account for now. This is the only explaining the free account facilities here. So today what we have covered so far, we have covered all the elements that are available in the left panel. What kind of different designs you can create using Canva. So there are a lot of designs for social media you can create. You can also create presentations for your projects, for your client reporting and other elements. You can create the entire presentation using it. You can also create videos. So video is something that requires a lot of effort. So we'll have a separate session only for the video part. That might happen tomorrow or day after depending on the availability. But for today, I think this is it. If you have any specific questions, make sure you post in the community. Those who need certificate, please join the community today so that we can assign you the chapter lessons and you can start practicing from there. If you have any other questions, I'm more than happy to answer that in the chat box. So just add your questions. I'll wait for 2 minutes to see all of your questions and then maybe able to answer all of them. So I'm waiting for your questions. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer those questions here. If no questions, then I'll end today's class here only. Those who want to take it further, those who want to take it further should be part of the community. Let me quickly open the community here so that anyone who has any questions, I'll take it in the community itself. Let me share a different screen. Stop sharing this. Stream. Let's see. So those who have not seen the community, this is the community that I am talking about. Just open this URL and you will be able to just click on this. We have already 100 plus members have already joined the community. So thank you so much for everyone who is already part of this community. Just click on the link that Naveen has already shared in WhatsApp group and inside the chat also. Yes, community course is locked because we have not added all the modules. This live after this live session, we will add the modules here, and the Canva part of the course will be available from tomorrow. So you will be able to see something like this when you open the community tomorrow. It will not be logged for you, and then you will, right now I'm just previewing in the admin mode. That is why you can see it. But from tomorrow onwards, you will be able to see the at least the Canva part will be added in the course by tomorrow. So you will be able to unlock it after 2 days. Yes, right now it is showing lock. Arshit, I'm just giving a basic overview. I know there are a lot of color options available. Any other questions related to this right now, or we can close the session for today? Just make sure you practice with Canva. If you have any questions, post inside the community. We will definitely take your questions from there. And we will also unlock the course for you tomorrow with the right set of products. And thank you so much for now. I'm ending the live stream for now. Just make sure you are part of the community so that you can practice and also get the certificate on time. Thank you so much, guys. It was a lovely evening.